how to boot into Android recovery on the Samsung Galaxy A15. So first, let's turn off your device. So if you have your phone turned on, let's switch it off. So press and hold on the side button, then tap on power off, then tap on power off, and wait for the phone to switch off. Once the phone switch off, we can press on the volume up plus the power button. So press on both buttons simultaneously. So let's do it now. Press on the volume up plus the power button. Now press and hold until you are boot into the recovery menu. And that's it. Once you are in the recovery menu, you can use the volume up or volume down button to navigate to the different menu items. So here you can perform a wipe data or factory reset, or you can wipe the cache partitions, you can run graphic test and view recovery logs. So I'm going to simply select reboot system now. Press on the side button or the power button to select an item. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.